Hi dear students, welcome to all my channel Learn All in One. Today we are discussing the material control. In that the last video we have been discussed already the three problems, so that now we are going to continue with the remaining problems. From the following, calculate a reorder level, maximum stock level, and minimum stock level, maximum stock level, danger level, average stock level. These things we are going to find out today. Reordering quantity 360 units, maximum consumption 900 units per week, normal consumption 600 units per week, minimum consumption 300 units per week, emergency period is 2 weeks, and reorder period is 3 to 5 weeks. In the same problem also they have been not provided the ROL, that is what the reorder level. We need to go for the finding of a reorder level, go for the calculations. ROL, okay, that's what the formula is there. ROL is equals to, reorder level is equals to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Okay, we are writing in shortly because we have been already knows it in the last problems. So in our problem they have been provided that the maximum consumption is 900 units, go with that 900 units, and also the maximum delivery period is the 5 weeks, go with the 5 weeks. Okay, that will become 9 into 5, 45, 4500 units. We have been find out the ROL has been find out here. Next we will go for the minimum stock level. Second, minimum stock level. So for that minimum stock level formula is there. The formula is ROL minus AC into ADP. We know that very well the ROL, go with the ROL. ROL is 4500 units minus AC. If you know the AC is an average consumption. I have been already told it in the last problem. AC means average, means a normal consumption. They have been given in the problem. Normal consumption is the 600 units. Go with the 600 units into, that is ADP means average delivery period. We don't know that the average delivery period. We need to go for the note 1. Note 1, that is calci of ADP, the average delivery period. Average delivery period formula is minimum DP plus maximum DP divided by 2. We know that the minimum and maximum delivery periods. So here the they have been provided the reorder period 3 to 5 weeks. So here 3 plus 5 divided by 2, that will become 8 divided by 2, we will get the 4, that is ADP is 4. Okay, ADP is 4 weeks. Go here 4 weeks. Okay, go for with 4500 minus 6 into 24 2400 units. That will become how much? 2000 units. Sorry, that will become 2100 units. 2100 units. This is what minimum stock level, minimum stock level, MSL. This is what the minimum stock level. Secondary, next we will go that another is there, the minimum reorder level is over. Next, maximum stock level. Next we will go for the maximum stock level. Go for within a third one, maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is equals to, formula is there, for that also formula recall it. See here, maximum stock level is equals to ROL plus OQ minus MC into MDP. Okay, we know that the very well ROL is 4500 plus OQ is how much is their ordering quantity. They have been given that reordering quantity is 360 units. They have been given in the problem. Okay, 360 units minus MC is that. Okay, they have been given that. MC means a minimum consumption. How much is their minimum consumption? Minimum consumption is, MC means minimum, MIN, minimum consumption. Minimum consumption in the given problem, they have been provided 300 units. Okay, go with the 300 into MDP. MDP is the minimum delivery period. Okay, minimum delivery period is also they have been given that the weeks the reorder period is 3 weeks. That is the minimum, the 5 is the maximum. Okay, into 3. Calculate it. How much? 4860 minus 900 units, that will become 3960 units. We have been find out that maximum stock level. Next another one is there, the danger level. Okay, we will go with it. It is a new concept, the danger level. We will go with the danger level. Danger level. Danger level is equals to minimum consumption, or it may be called as a minimum rate of consumption into emergency delivery period. Emergency delivery period. We know that in the problem they have been provided the minimum consumption is the 300 units. Minimum consumption is the 300 units into the emergency delivery period. In the 2 weeks emergency delivery period is the 2 weeks they have been provided in the problem. 2 weeks, that is become the 600 units. Let's become the 600 units. We have been find out that the danger. This is a simple formula. Okay, next we will go for the average stock level. We will go for the, this fourth one, this is another fifth one, average stock level. Average stock level is equals to, formula is there, minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Minimum stock level is how much? Minimum stock level is 2100 units plus maximum is 3960 divided by 2, that will become 6060 divided by 2. The ASL we call it shortly, the answer is 3030. Okay, we have been find out that this problems. Okay, that's enough. This problem is closed. Here is the fifth problem. The fifth problem is for your practice. You will do it this problem as an homework, and I will go with this the sixth problem. Okay, the following information available regarding to the two components, that's the P and Q. The maximum usage 240 units per week each, and minimum usage 120 units per week each. Normal usage 180 units per week each. A reorder quantity P for 1200 units, and for Q 800 units. Reorder period P 3 to 5 weeks, for a Q 2 to 4 weeks. Calculate ROL, minimum stock level, and maximum stock level. Let us we go for the formula. The formula for the calculation of ROL. ROL is equals to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. So for the fee, the maximum consumption is for the P. Okay, for a P and for a P and Q, it is both including for the P and Q. This is maximum usage for the P and Q. This is minimum usage for the P and Q. This is normal usage for the P and Q. When they have been given information for the reorder level, P and Q separately, and the reorder period is the reorder quantity they have been given separately for the P and Q, and the reorder period they have been given separately P and Q. In that we need to go for the calculations. Okay, so here the maximum, what is that, the maximum is 240. Okay, go with 240. Go with the problem, let us see clearly. 240 into how much the delivery weeks for the P is 5 weeks. Okay, 5 weeks, that is equals to and Q is also 240 weeks, and Q weeks is 4. Okay, 4. In that way we got it that how much, 1200 units, and here we got that 960 units, that is also units. Okay, this is for the P and Q, nothing is difficult. Okay, next we will go for the second one, calculation of, that is what, minimum stock level. Calculation of minimum stock level. In the minimum stock level is equals to formula, minimum stock level is equals to RL or ROL. It may be called as an RL or the ROL minus AC into ADP. Okay, for a PROL is 1200 in minus how much, what is the AC? AC is given here in the problem 1800 units. Okay, 180 units. 180 units. We know that the AC is 180 units. 180. Then we will go for the into. What is the ADP? We don't know that the ADP. Okay, we need to go for the calculation of an ADP. Okay, go for the calculation of ADP. Go that here. Note ADP, we need the space for the ADP is equals to minimum DP plus maximum DP divided by 2. Keep it in your mind. For the P, 3 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, we got it the 4. Next for the Q, that is they have given here is that 3 plus 5 divided by 2, that will become 8. Okay, same here, 2 to 4 weeks, they have been here 2 to 4 weeks, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that will become 6 divided by 2, we got it the 3 weeks. Okay, we doing for the P is 4 weeks. So here 1200 minus 720 units, we got it that 408 units. For a Q is 960 units. Okay, for a Q 960 units. For a Q 960 units, that's a ROL. We have been find out here the ROL 960 units. Okay, minus, open the bracket, that is what, say 180 AC. Average consumption is 180. In the problem they have been given 180 normal into. Now we have been find out that ADP, that ADP is a 3, that will become 960 minus, that will become 540. We will get the answer 420 units. We got the 420 units for the P and the Q. For a both we have been find out the minimum stock level. Same we will go for the calculation of maximum stock level. That is the last one, maximum stock level. Maximum stock level. Maximum stock level formula, recall it the formula. Here is the formula, maximum stock level is equals to RL plus OQ minus MC into MDP. MC is minimum consumption, MDP is minimum delivery period. How much RL is for a P? For a P, RL is We have been find out that already the reorder level we got it 1200 units plus OQ. OQ is the reorder quantity. Okay, OQ means reorder quantity. Okay, reorder quantity is 1200 units minus MC is minimum. Okay, here is the minimum is the 120, so that 120 into MDP. Minimum is how much? Minimum is for P 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks. Go for the calculations. 1200 plus 1200, 2400 minus 120 into 3, we got it that 360 units. That will become 2040 units for a P. P has been completed, and next we will go for the Q. Q is equals to same as it is. ROL is 960 units plus OQ ordering quantity. Here in the problem, ordering quantity 800 units. Okay. Yes, finally we have been generated these problems. We got it that the total plusing this 1760, and this is one 240. So that deducted this from, we will get it that total. We have been find out that the maximum stock level for the both things. Okay, thanks for the watching. Share it. Thank you, one and all.